A1, roger, at the scene. Was there any casings or a victim?
11:42 A1, roger that. There was a victim hit and there were casings recovered.
That's it. Yeah, he's getting tired, man. He's gonna guess out. Bro, just pull over, man. Stop. Just stop, man.
Black shirt, jeans, and on a blue bicycle.
Just stop, man. You're not gonna go anywhere.
781 to the for victim, or can you describe maybe his hat if there's any specific detail?
Go ahead. Just pull over, man. Just stop. You're not gonna go anywhere, man. Come on.
781, your location.
We are continuing 5 southbound, heading toward the 10 interchange.
Come on, man. Just give up, man. Just pull to the side, man. Make sure he doesn't double back.
781 still southbound 5 towards the 1110 interchange.
Got a unit behind us.
30 southwest CC unit pulling up, the others coming code through from the eastbound 10 at San Pedro.
Wait. Just pull to the side, man. Stop already. You're not gonna go anywhere, man. Come on.
801 is following a possible shooting suspect southbound 5 towards the 110 interchange. Action towards the 10 freeway.
Hold on. I don't want him to jump down here and say.
Alright, he's taking the mission exit off the southbound 5.
You're not gonna go anywhere, man. Come on.
Towards the seeing the mission exit towards the southbound 5. Correction from the southbound 5. Eastbound mission.
Stop.
Continue eastbound mission.
There you go.
From the 5.
It's gonna double back.
Unit of vicinity, 40 tornadoes, requesting the backup area unit supervisor doing MRI for the shooting suspect. Southbound Bailey from mission, and he's got sufficient units. Northbound
Just go.
Bailey from mission, sufficient units.
Go, stop it.
In a unit of vicinity, 40 tornadoes, requesting the backup area unit supervisor daily MRI for the shooting suspect.
Hit him with the door.
Northbound Bailey from mission, and he's got sufficient units.
Hit him. Hit him with the door.
Northbound Bailey from mission, sufficient units.
He's a shooting suspect.
Vicinity, 40 tornadoes, requesting the backup area unit supervisor daily MRI for the shooting suspect. Northbound Bailey from mission, and he's got sufficient units. Thank you. Northbound Bailey from mission, sufficient units.
Hey, dog, you got the amor.
hold on. Grab the back. I got his hands. Hey, slow down. I got his hands. Grab it. We're good. Take it out.
Taking suspect. Come on, bro. Hold it.